Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news, uBruce Vuma ugolikipa weKaizer Chiefs bafethu kuphuma ama-report ukuthi se-renew-we i-contract yakhe laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Noma iKaizer Chiefs imnike i-renewal. Uzohlala kuKaizer Chiefs until 2028, imagine. But I've said this couple of times of it, I think for weeks and weeks and weeks, or that time kwi-transfer window, already beseziphumile indaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukurenewa i-contract kaVuma bamnike i-2 years. Nayi le 2 years sebamnikile-ke bafowethu, it's just a matter of iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-announce, but-ke abaka-announce, but yeah, it's revealed ukuthi hhayi uyitholile yena i-contract ya-2 years i-renewal. Kusho ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs babona i-future around yena, bayabona ngempela ukuthi umuntu abanga-builda i-future around yena. Sazi ukuthi what future they will build, but-ke kubonakala ngathi bayakholelwa kuVuma. I still remember talking about this thing ngithi because I was listening to umuntu weKaizer Chiefs athi kubalulekile ukuthi bagcine ama-player ake adlalela iKaizer Chiefs, abuya ukuthi i-DC team yabo. So it's very important for bona ukuthi babagcine labafana laba because of ba-understanda i-culture yeKaizer Chiefs. Yiyo into bayisho laphana kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi kusho ukuthi baba uVuma bamgcinela based on i-culture ne-understanding yakhe kuKaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi kudala kuKaizer Chiefs izinto ezinjalo ukhulela khona. Kusho ukuthi nabaningi uthola ukuthi umuntu akaphefoma kahle, but-ke bayamgcina kuKaizer Chiefs abanye based on ini. Kusho ukuthi uVuma uzohamba kuKaizer Chiefs meba na-33, yeah, le contract lena izomgcina abe na-33, 32, lapho 33, close to 33. Indaba ezinhle for yena uVuma bafethu, I think naye ziyamjabulisa ngempela ukuthi abe khona laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Okay, ithi sibheke uVuma nje kancane laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, ama-stats wakhe siyazi ukuthi ufike emncane kuKaizer Chiefs, adlalela i-DDC team or ama-youth wakhona laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. So udlale akadlalelanga iKaizer Chiefs-ke kuphela, uke waba naku-Wits kuma-junior, but iKaizer Chiefs yamdonsa lapho. uVuma uthi kuyiphupho ukuthi vele adlalela iKaizer Chiefs, i-team bekaya egrawundini ayoyibukela. Na ama-stats wakhe uVuma since wafika laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, he was expected ukuthi ngoba ukhulela underweight uMele Nkhune ukuthi uzotake over. Udlale amagame awu-79 for iKaizer Chiefs, uconcede amagoli awu-86, ube nama-clean sheets awu-28. Sazi-ke ukuthi yabona futhi kuBetway Premiership udlala amagame awu-66, waconsider amagoli bafowethu awu-76 nama-clean sheets awu-21 kuBetway Premiership nje kuphela. Yeah, uVuma-ke bafowethu. Is it a good move for iKaizer Chiefs? I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I remember iKaizer Chiefs, I remember kukhishwa i-interview yakhe ekhulunywa ngokuthi u-talented kangakanani. He is talented, or let me say he was talented mangimbona edlala laphana emncane, because I saw him when he was young. He was talented, but I think into eyamlimaza noma eyambulala ukuba kuKaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi mhlawumbe even nanamhlanje ngathi akakholwa ukuthi kuKaizer Chiefs, that is why usasenenkinga laphana yokuthi maybe akakajwayeli kahle, but bekumele ngabe se-adaptile man, uyakwazi ukuleader i-team, but-ke ezinye izinto zisamshaya, to be honest. We'll see ukuthi usazophinde futhi mhlampe abe yilokhunjana, abe mhlampe ugoalkeeper ube u-number 1, because of ukuba u-number 1 akukho lula njengoba uPeterson edlala kahle kangaka. So bakhona nabanye-ke after uVuma ababheka ukuthi ama-contract wabo arenewiwe, so bona ukuthi bazowa-renewa lawo ma-contract baningi kakhulu. Last season I remember elokhu ekhuluma ne-media, because he got an opportunity yokuthi alokhu ekhuluma ne-media kakhulu because of bekawu-number 1. Wayethi uyafuna ngempela ukudlalela iBafana Bafana nokurepresent iBafana Bafana, kulokhu nje aqhubeka adevelop ukuthi abe ngcono. Wathi laphana ukuba kuBafana Bafana kumbhenefitha kakhulu because of kunabo goalkeeper uRonwen Williams nabanye abo-goalkeeper bane-experience kakhulu, so uyafunda futhi uya-improve ukuthi for yena uWilliams u-number 1 goalkeeper, yena nje kumele alinde kusho ukuthi abe patient, alinde isikhathi sakhe, but-ke even if akadlali uthi ayijabulela experience yakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana. KuBafana Bafana ubuyela ku-Kaizer Chiefs u-better goalkeeper. Uyasho ukuthi njalo kusho ukuthi uyathanda nje ukurepresent iBafana Bafana, but yeah, since then akayi-represent bamdropa laphana from the team. Yeah, but yeah, he has been there for some time, to be honest. He has been there for some time. Ku-professional setup nezinye izinto. I remember when he signed for Kaizer Chiefs, bekuthiwa is the one for the future, ukuthi uye umuntu okumele ebhekwe uma ethola i-opportunity yakhe ukuthi uzokwenza ey'bukwayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-opportunity yakhe, to be honest bafethu, uyitholile and hhayi kancane kakhulu. Ukuthi adlale arepresent i-team. I mean udlale kusasekhona abantu abaningi kakhulu laphana ku-Chiefs, baningi abantu adlale under bona. I think it's close to I think 9 years, 10 years laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, asidluleni kuvuma bafethu. Yeah, congratulations to him ngokuthola i-contract renewal. Well, I think kubalulekile ukuthi abafethu bathole imisebenzi, impilo zabo zibe ngcono, bakwazi yeah man, bakwazi ukuphilisa abafethu, bakwazi ukusustain. Yeah, well, indaba ezinhle for yena vele ukuthi uyitholile. Yeah, but asazi ukuthi ngempela uyilo. But yeah, asaw laphana online abantu ba-react abafethu, but hayi uvuma ngabe uyahamba. Yeah, i-contract extension ayisizi ngempela ukuthi uvuma, but-ke abanye bayasho ukuthi okay, good move, kanikwe i-opportunity umfana. Abanye bavele bathi bamlone uvuma, but abanye bathi no, there's something about uvuma, so abamnika i-opportunity. Njengoba ngisho nami sometimes ukuthi ngithi umuntu akalahlwa bafowethu, because of uyakwazi ukuvuka emaqandeni. Mhlampe-ke le opportunity le abamnika yona futhi bafowethu uzokwazi ukuyi-grab with both hands, ayisebenzise, asazi. Sobona, only time will tell ngempela when it's given an opportunity to play. Peterson idlala kahle kakhulu. Mina into engimangazayo-ke naye bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna goalkeeper abanye, ayikhulume no-goalkeeper abambalwa ukuthi babe khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma bezama ukubasayina. But-ke obviously ama-opportunities wokuthi basayine labo goalkeeper lawa, to be honest, akholapsile. Awasebenzanga because of sibonile even i-transfer market ize yavalwa, i-plan elisolid bangabanga nalo. That is why maybe they saw ukuthi okay, it's a good thing ukuthi ba-renew contract kavuma. Yeah, bengizokhuluma ngabanye, but sengikhulume ngabo kakhulu man, abantu abaphelelwa ama-contract. Even no-Peterson i-contract yakhe yaphela, omunye okumele bahlale naye babheka. I can't remember ukuthi phela manje 2026 or bathi kune-clause phela 2027, so kumele bahlale futhi no-Peterson naye bakhulume naye. But yeah, good news for uvuma. Ngicela uyibamba la ekavuma bafethu simuvele kwezinye. Ngenza i-part 2 bafowethu yalento le, cause ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi why ama-player angafuni ukuhamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuthiwa awadlali. Nayo-ke i-answer bafowethu, full answer yayo yonke lento lena nama-examples. So i-reason ama-player angafuni ukuhamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma angadlali ukuthi athole i-full salary. Lese uhola 100,000 uyithola 100,000. Laba abangadlali bafocusa kwezinye izinto, let's say ezi-involve ama-TV rights, benza ama-ads, benza ama-activation. For example, uDudley akadlalanga for isikhathi eside. I think it's close to a year or over a year or so engadlali uDudley, right? But still khona imali ayenzayo laphana eceleni because of associated nani ne-Kaizer Chiefs, i-biggest team e-South Africa, and then nama-brands amaningi. Ngimbone kuyini 10Bet, ngimbone naku-Kaizer Chiefs lezi zinto zabo ze-Toyota, I think ne-Vodacom. So wenza izinto ezi-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so is able to make extra money. Akusiwuye kuphela, ama-player afana noShinga, noMorris, I think uShinga, uMorris nabanye nje oMatlou bayazenza lezi zinto lezi. Mostly they collaborate ne-sponsor sabo laphana eToyota, but-ke ama-image rights wama-player abaluleke kakhulu because that's where they make imali outside just i-football through ama-ads abawenzayo, ama-promotions, ama-activations, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs i-transparent nama-player and then ibanika ama-biggest contracts in the country, izinto ezinjalo. In terms of lama-image rights lawa engikhuluma ngawo bafethu, ukuthi ama-player akwazi ukuhola iy'mali ey'buya nje emaceleni as long as ulaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. For example, when I was working for i-agency, i-agent lami, I think at the time beya-represent ama-player 4 ku-Kaizer Chiefs and awu-2 bewangakadlali nokudlala, but already lezi zinto zama-ads besekakuzo umfowethu ngoba nje belaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately-ke uye wamoshela izinto ngoba ama-player ayamosha bafowethu, ubona ngathi umhlaba sekuwowabo. Uthole ukuthi awukakafiki nokufika, abantu abakakwazi that much, awukakazakhele negama, but-ke sowuvele uyamosha immediately. So oDotla, ama-player afana noDotla, oMorris, uLebohang Maboyi siyambona bayam-introduce-a kancane kancane, but akakabi fit, fully fit umbone ukuthi uLebohang Maboyi lo esimaziyo. uShinga naye uyazenza lezi zinto ze-Vodacom nezinye, which means that they are able to get lawo ma-10,000 nje from eceleni ukwenza i-ad or even more, kuyadependa. And then makuqala isizini siyabona njalo i-Kaizer Chiefs mayi-introduce-a ijezi ne, maba-introduce ijezi benza i-ad, babenza o-Ox Mthethwa, I think oMfundo Vilakazi, uMcCarthy, even Nacho Miguel, Lilepo, ama-players nje a-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs basebenzile ku-activation yani yeKapa, meaning that bebenza ini, imali eceleni from nje ukwenza lama-ads, kufana nokuthi nje bayasebenza. That is why ubani lo head of media, Kemisho noma ubani bafowethu, if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe ngizolikhumbula my sister, yinto akhuluma ngayo straight athi yibo kuphela eSouth Africa aba-offer-a abantu. Ningaboni ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs yenza ama-photoshoot nama-player, lesiya ama-ads weyoKapa, i-introduce ijezi, ibhadala ama-player for leyo nto leyo. Wonke ama-team awayenzi leyo nto leyo, abakukhokheli, you just nje uyabenzela izinto because of usayine nabo. So they use i-brand yakho mahhala, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs no, they understand ukuthi they use your face, they use whatever, they take your time, so khona abazokufakela khona okuncane, a couple of thousands. Yeah, ikanjalo-ke indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu nama-player laphana ukuthi aphilisa kanjani because of uma ungadlala wathola ama-bonus. Umuntu, if you don't even make the match day squad, it means that awuwatholi ama-bonus, if kunama-bonus depending ukuthi i-match nidlala enjani. If khona umuntu ozoba senkingeni ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uMatlou uzoba uba futhi khona uba for la ukuthi ngingakhulumi ngoMatlou akafuni ngenze ne-example ngayo, but yeah, if uMatlou uzoba ne-problem, i-contract yakhe ikuselele a couple of months ku-Kaizer Chiefs, if ba-decide ukumrelease-a, think ama-fans we-Orlando Pirates amaningi azom-attack-a futhi azo-celebrate. So it's very important for yena ukuthi ahlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs for some time because of lesi esedlalela nje i-team encane, bomu-attack-a ngaloko ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi uyophelelaphi, but isizini sase-on kuningi okungenzeka bafowethu ukuthi afocus ebholeni nje kuphela. Akhohlwe lezi zinto lezi za-online, akhohlwe nje izinto at all, 100% because of yizo izinto maybe ezingam-affect-a kakhulu. Well, let's say not directly or indirectly, but i-psyche yomuntu nokucabanga kwakhe ne-information ayikhonzumayo because of ama-fans aya-attack isikhathi esiningi, adimanda i-excellence from ama-teammates or i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke at times they fall short. And then uGeorge Matlou, if bayamrelease-a, ayi, le nto leyo izophendula i-social media because of already i-social media seyimnike ibhazi e-serious. So if bayamrelease-a banga-renew i-contract yakhe, then what's next ngaye? Well, maybe akhona ama-team amfunayo ababonayo ukuthi maybe angalo, but-ke bekumele alwe more. I think ama-players kumele alwe more laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, hhayi ukuthi alinde kuze kube i-final year of i-contract or mese desperate umuntu ufuna ukuba serious ngempela, no.